cattle industry has seen a huge evolution over the years due to genetics and breeding. Leading the charge for over a century has been one well-known South Dakota cattle operation. Ag Day's Michelle Rook takes us there to see how their unique business model is shaping the industry for the future as we continue our Sustainable Ranchers tour.
South Dakota is home to some of the best cattle genetics in the country, and here at Jorgensen Land and Cattle, their genetics touches nearly 94% of the U.S. cattle herd in some way, and it's part of their sustainability story. The Jorgensen's dominance in the Black Angus breed dates back 113 years as the family built one of the best-known registered herds in the country. That tradition lives on in their present cow herd.
Around 1,500 females, mostly registered, handful of commercial recips that we run all in northern Tripp County.
From that elite genetic pool have come some of the top sires in the U.S.
We estimate that our genetics influence about 250,000 calves a year directly from the Jorgensen program.
What makes Jorgensen's program even more unique, though, is their bull program, which includes leasing.
Our main business is we market Black Angus bulls, whether either through a lease or through private treaty. We market more bulls than anyone else in the United States. In 2024, it'll be over 6,000 that we market across the country. We offer delivery and pickup, and so we will take bulls to the customer, we will bring them back, and we care for them when they're not doing anything.
Which he says is about 6 months of the year, and so they retain ownership and feed their bulls in their feedlot.
All he's doing the other 6 months of the year is eating feed and breaking fences, right? And so us taking that risk on and that feeding responsibility and all that other stuff is a real benefit to a lot of our customers because they just don't want to deal with bulls.
Jorgensen's also run a genetics consulting business, Ideal Beef Genetics.
We are DNA testing all of our animals, and we are offering to sell genetic tests to our customers so that we can help them better match. Once we had their DNA of their cows or their heifers, we can actually match almost perfectly the bull matings for them.
And soon they'll use genetic tests to predict how animals will perform in the feed yard.
Or by way of certain traits, that we can actually help the growers capture better packer markets just by way of those genetic tests.
That helps the industry produce beef that aligns with what the consumer and packer wants.
We have to work closely with our ag producers to hit that mark or find that, that bull and sire that they use for their good genetics and sustainability.
Which adds value and sustainability for the Jorgensens and their customers for the future. I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.
All right, thanks Michelle, and that's all the time we have this morning. From all of us here at Ag Day, I'm Clinton Griffiths. Have a great day on Farm Country.